Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. Children, open page number 104 of your maths textbook. Solve the following questions in your notebook. Question number 1. Kalvina bought a pencil box for rupees 68. She gave rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. How much money did she get back? Children, she gave rupees 100 to the shopkeeper and the cost of pencil box is rupees 68. So, subtract rupees 68 from 100. Then, you will get the answer and that much money she gets back. So children, 100 rupees minus 68 rupees. The answer is 32 rupees. So children, 32 rupees she gets back from the shopkeeper. Question number 2. Misha received money as a gift from elders on a festival. Her father gave her rupees 50, her uncle gave rupees 55 and her mother gave rupees 100. How much money did she receive from all of them? How much money did she receive means this is the problem of addition. Let's see. Children, 50 and 55 are 2-digit number and 100 is 3-digit number. So, while writing, we have to take care. So, here will come 100 tens and ones. So, 100 is 3-digit number plus 50, it is 2-digit number and 55 is also 2-digit number. Now add this all. This is 100 rupees. This is also 50 rupees, 55 rupees. Add this. The answer is 205 rupees means she received 205 rupees. Question number 3. Abrar had rupees 90 in his piggy bank. His father gave him rupees 70 more to put in the piggy bank. How much money is there in the piggy bank now? To find out the answer, add 90 and 70 rupees. Question number 4. Anju went to a market to buy 2 different cookies. She had a total of rupees 100. The cookies were priced at rupees 35, chocolate chip cookie, rupees 65, butter cookie and rupees 108, nut cookie. Which cookies could she have bought? Children, read the problem again carefully. Then you will get the answer. The question is, Anju have rupees 100 and she wants to buy 2 different cookies. Now see the price of each cookie. Chocolate chip cookie rupees 35, butter cookie rupees 65 and nut cookie price is rupees 108. So children, if she is having 100 rupees, then she cannot buy the cookie of price 108. So, she must have buy chocolate chip cookie and butter cookie. So, add rupees 35 and rupees 65. Then, you will get the answer. So, children, she could have bought chocolate chip cookie and butter cookie. Question number 5. Kanwal has rupees 30 with him, of which he bought 3 things of the same price. Find out the price of each of these things. Children, Kanwal has rupees 30 and he bought 3 things. So, we have to divide this 30 equally in 3 groups. Means 30 divided by 3 is equal to 3 tens are 30. So the price of each thing is 10 rupees. See the next question. Practice at home. Solve the following questions in your notebook. Question number 1. The cost of a book is rupees 225 and the cost of a notebook is rupees 45. What is the difference in their cost? So children, remove 45 from 225. You will get the answer. Question number 2. Jinu went to a fun fair. There she spent rupees 200 on food and rupees 155 on rides. How much money did she spend in all? Add rupees 200 and rupees 155. You will get the answer. Question number 3. Sirath bought a purse for rupees 300 and Perry bought a toy for rupees 220 from the same shop. Who paid more money? How much? So, subtract 220 from 300. You will get the answer. Question number 4. Rohan and Rihan bought 2 saplings from a nursery. Rohan bought it for rupees 145 and Rihan for rupees 95. Who paid more? How much? This is also subtraction problem. Subtract rupees 95 from 145. You will get the answer. Question number 5. Question number 5. Srishti receives pocket money of rupees 10 every month from her mother. She saves that money to buy a toy for rupees 50. In how many months will she have enough money to buy the toy? Add 10 5 times, then you will get the answer. Let's see page number 105. The question is, Maddie and Paddy were given rupees 50 each and they spent it all to buy the things shown below. Some things did not have price tags on them. Find out their prices. Children, Maddie have rupees 50. Add 25 and 5. The answer is rupees 30. Then subtract rupees 30 from 50. Then you will get the price of third thing. Paddy is also have rupees 50 and he spent rupees 30. Subtract 30 from 50. The answer is 20 rupees. Then divide this 20 rupees. Then it can be 10 plus 10 or 5 plus 15. In this way, solve this question in your textbook. Let's see next question. Which 6 coins could be there in the bag? Represent them in the circles. In the bag, the price tag is rupees 22. So we have to find out the coins to get the answer 22. Children, we have coins of 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. So here will come 4 coins of 5 rupees and 2 coins of 1 rupees. Children, open page number 106. Question number 1. Farsa loves reading a variety of books every day. She spends some time reading a fixed number of pages. Complete the table given below. A. If she reads 6 pages in a day. Days are given here 1 to 10 and pages read 6, 12. So children, write here 6 table, then you will get the answer. Question B. If she reads 8 pages in a day. Here also 1 to 10 days are given and she reads per day 8 pages. So write here 8 tables. So write here 8 table. Question C. Question C. If she reads 10 pages in a day. Write here 10's table. Question number 2. If her book has 35 pages and she wants to read it in 7 days, how many pages should Farsa read every day? So children, this is the division problem. 35 divided by 7. So say 7's table till 35. 7 5 is 35. So answer is 5. Then she should read 5 pages every day. Question number 3. If her book has 54 pages and she wants to read it in 9 days, how many pages should Farsa read every day? This is also division problem. Here say 9's table till 54. 9 6 is 54. The answer is 6. So she should read 6 pages every day. Children, this page is given to revise multiplication tables and division. So learn the tables. Thank you. Stay healthy and happy.